Good afternoon, all. Bitcoin analysis for Sunday. Yesterday, well, I didn't go on live. I did a video and I was saying that we was looking for sales in this area. That price is going down. My overall target was looking for at least this low to go, but this is a support area that I'm definitely interested in at 82.675. Now we haven't reached there yet. Didn't expect it to get there just like that anyway. It's the weekend. Price generally goes sideways, okay? We spent time going up, we spent time coming down. Currently, I've got a little blue line here, which I'm going to remove now. It's just marking the 13 EMA on the hour, which was also the same area where the 50 EMA is on the 15-minute time frame. Now, I know this looks very messy, but it's because I'm waiting to add positions to the downside. And so I get very technical on the chart, and I can remove those now. So, just quickly, basically what I'm expecting from price right now is this: some form of a trap above the 50 EMA and a drop. But I do not expect price to touch that black line, because that black line is marking out where I've got a 1. Okay, if this is going to be a trend to the downside, I mean, I'm looking for the price to go down even if we did come across into here, but then we wouldn't be looking for a trend anymore. Okay, so currently this is my count. Looking for 4 to then get 5. That is, make that purple. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. Yeah, that's the EMA. I'm looking for price to get very close to that black line here. But obviously, touching the black line would invalidate this as a 1, 2, 3, 4. Also, touching the 0.618 would also invalidate that. So I'd have to look for a different count. And in that case, it would probably be A, B, C, A, B, C, and then continuation down. But there's no reason for me to not expect sales coming from here. Okay, now this channel, the reason why this channel is on the chart, this one here, is because I'm looking at this as an A, B, and a C. So somewhere near the top of this channel is also exactly where I'd like to sell. And yeah, I've literally got that there just to help me with that. I've this channel here, I've got from the top of 1, the top of 1, to the top of 2, to the bottom of 1, or you could say from the top of A to the bottom of A, to the top of B, whatever, whether it's a B or a 1, 2. So now inside here, obviously I've got a 1, 2, a 3, looking for the 4 to take this down. Yeah, I'm pretty confident that that's what's going to happen. Like we've been looking at, on the higher time frame, expecting. Let me just remove everything. Expecting price to come down, literally, and even manipulate this low. That's the idea I have. I mean, I'm aiming for here, this low. But the idea I have is we'll take out this low, tap into this demand, and then we'll see how high we can go from there if we are going to be bullish. Just one more thing. The 0.382 here, if this is what we're doing, okay, and we've got a 1 or an A here in a leading diagonal, so this 5 would represent 1. Then we're looking for A, B, C corrective move, or W, X, Y, because this is taking a long time. W, X, Y to the downside. If that's what we're looking at, still looking at this type of area. But I mean, to be honest with you, I think we're going to get a deep pullback down into these areas, potentially tap into here. That's on the cards, and I think there's a good chance of it. So yeah, About to add more sells to this position. Very messy chart. About to add more sells to this position to take price down. Potentially just after 3 o'clock, I reckon that would happen. And by the time I do a next video, hopefully we would have seen this and price would be down here somewhere. Okay, so trade safe. I'll do some more analysis for what I'm expecting on the Forex pairs a little later. And please like, comment, share, and subscribe. All right. Peace.